best part is like when you open up a bug ticket on Jira, or when you communicate to your colleagues for a certain feature development idea. So you can actually point to the exact moment where you see the pattern, where you see the behavior of the user, and you can use the notes feature. So like you can go to any point in time and you can type a specific note, and once you share this recording with your colleagues, they'll be seeing all your notes assigned to the certain points in time. So this is the favorite part. The rest is pretty easy. Actually, you have all the events. You can watch everything in different speeds, and you can also click on the user. And if you're sending custom attributes, you can see the user details here. And like if you think this recording is valuable, there's something you need to share or something you need to keep track, you can add it to a specific collection, and your colleagues will be able to follow that collection